Hello friends. So this was another cactus that I recently picked up. This is a ball cactus. It's actually called a California cactus or a red devil. They have lots of names, but the unique thing about this one is it's got red spikes, and the more sun it gets, the redder they get. So we're gonna repot this one. It's been sitting in this pot a little bit too long. It's in this nursery pot. And if you notice, I'm handling this cactus with a rolled up wrapping paper, because the spines on this are lethal. I feel a little bit of moisture in the dirt, but it's relatively dry. It probably was watered about 2 weeks ago or so. What you want to do is try to get as much of the dirt off as possible. This is nursery soil, so all they use is perlite and cactus mix. Not the healthiest way to grow a cactus. These type plants are desert plants, and they generally are in more gritty soil, sand, gravel. I use my own mix. I mix my own dirt and rocks and sand and pumice and perlite. I'll sometimes use limestone or gravel, granite sometimes. Feels like they got a plug in this one. Let's see if I can do this without the paper. Not real happy with the roots, but with nursery plants, I guess that's about all I can expect. Hopefully we will provide a little bit better environment. This one feels pretty plump, and it has a good color on it. Decent roots for a nursery. I thought for the size of plant that it was, that I'd have a little bit more roots. There. Root system looks okay. It's not bad. Always could be better, but had I grown this from seed, the roots would have been a lot more healthy. So we're gonna use a terracotta pot. I like terracotta because the water evaporates a little bit faster than a glazed pot. Put my screen in there, add some pebbles. Add about a third of soil. And then what I want to do with this one, because it's springtime, I'm going to add some Osmocote, a little slow release fertilizer. And we'll put 10 or 12 little pellets in here. We'll place that in there. Let me just get rid of this dirty tray. Try to do this without the paper. I've planted enough of these so I handle them pretty good. Give it a couple taps. Let it settle in. Balance it off, make sure it's centered. Work the soil down a little bit. Get rid of all the air pockets. If you notice, this particular plant has longer spikes on one side. This side, the spikes are very shallow and short. These are bigger and redder. So that means this was facing away from the sun for a good period of time. This side was facing out, and this side was probably against the wall, or just not, they didn't distribute the light properly for this plant. But now that I have it, I'll rotate it, make sure the one side gets a little bit more sun. So there you have it. Just gonna finish it off with some top dressing. I'll probably use white, maybe. We'll see. But thanks for watching. I hope this helped. I hope it was interesting. And don't forget to follow and like.